Hello everybody, welcome to the 7th video of C++. In this video we are going to look at library functions and header files. In C++, the library functions are implemented under different header files. For example, standard input and standard output functions are implemented in input-output stream header file, and mathematical functions, for example square root function or power functions, are implemented in CMath header file. And string function, str, string copy or string concatenate functions are under string header file. So if you want to use any of these library functions, you need to add the correct header file under the include directory, like this. And so once you have added the correct header files, you can use the functions that are in those header files. So in this function, in this C++ program, we are going to use square root function, power function, standard output function, and also for functions on string manipulation. So in the main function, what we do is we declare three variables: var1, var2, var3. They all three are of type float. And in this statement, what we do is we take square root of variable 1 and assign the square root of variable 1 to variable 2. So if you print variable 1 is 10, so if you take a square root, it will be 3.16. so 3.16 is assigned to variable 2. So if you, in the next line, if you print variable 2, it will be it will print as variable 2 equals 3.16228. So now if we take the power function that is in the CMath header file, take the square of variable 2. So power function takes two arguments. First one is the variable 1, and the second one is the power. So if you take the square of variable 2, that will be equal to 10. So if you, in the next line, if you print variable 3, that should be 10. So you, in this line, you take square root of 10 and assign that to variable 2, and in this line you take square of variable 2 and assign that to variable 3. So variable 3 becomes 10 again. So now we declare three string variables. String 1 is hello is assigned to string 1, and world is assigned to string 2, and string 3 is not assigned to any value. So string 3 is just declared, and it is not initialized yet. So in this line, what we do is we concatenate string 1 space character and string 2 and assign the total to string 3. So if you print string 3, it should be hello space world. So here you get string 3 equals hello plus world. So there are a lot of library functions implemented under different header files, and you can look it up on either on the internet or on from any C++ book. So I hope this is the header files, and the difference between header file and the library functions are clear. So the different set of library functions are implemented under different header files. So if you want to use a particular library functions, you need to include the correct header file to use the functions that are within that header file. That's all in this video, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.